In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can sign up for ClickUp free version. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to your web browser and open clickup.com. Now, from here, click on Sign Up on the top right. Now, you can use your work mail right here. Or, if you have not an account yet, click here on Sign Up. Then, use your full name, say, then a work mail that you want to use. For example, then choose a password. After that, sign up with that email. Immediately, ClickUp would ask a verification from the work email that you use. So check it. Give me a few moments to get my verification code. Type it in, and then wait for the setup. Work, work. Then, how did you hear about it? Say. Then you can skip the step. And after that, you now have a free version of ClickUp right here. See? So you now have full access to all the free contents right here, and you can use them for your projects. Very easy. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. If you want to support our channel too, go click on the affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.